Hi, I'm Danish, a front-end developer for Sigma School. So personally, I feel like the biggest challenge that I face in becoming a developer is I had to learn extra things such as data structures and algorithms. I think in a fundamental manner, those two things are basically the challenging parts of becoming a developer. Data structures and algorithms, they're not easy to start with, especially for beginners. So yeah, I think that is going to be challenging for me and also I think for new developers. Right, so my advice for new people or new developers to learn to code is that number one is to keep learning. I know it's hard. Personally, for me, it was hard for me too. Fortunately, I had access to resources since I was young, but if you don't have that, it's okay. Take your time and learn to become a developer. Becoming a developer is not an overnight success. I think that even me, myself, as a developer right now, I am not that kind of an excellent developer. I have to learn more. So basically, becoming a developer is a long journey. It does not require you to expect that you will become a good developer tomorrow. So take your time and read more. How I gained real-world experience when I'm starting my career is that I did a few projects. So fortunately, I went to university, and in my university, I have my projects. So that is one of the ways for me to read real-world projects. Basically, real-world projects does not have to be a good idea. It can be anything that you want, your hobby, whatever. But what it needs to have is the real-world applications of becoming a developer, such as APIs, algorithms. So those things are basically the things that you need to know in order to create a real-world project. It's more like an experience. I started with Java, but now I'm working on JavaScript. So basically, you need to experience more on different languages, different programming languages, because whenever you experience more, then you will get a taste of each of those languages. And then you will know like which one's better, which one is less better, I would say. And for frameworks also, yeah, you need to try more, which is I also tried multiple frameworks such as React, Vue, React Native, and previously or recently I've tried Svelte. All of them are good, but now I know like which one's better or not because I've tried. I would recommend like bootcamps more if you have like financial problems. I understand that not all of us have the financial stability to afford going to a university. So, but both works and both have their own pros and cons. I believe that for me, I'd recommend coding bootcamp because you will get like an exposure on doing projects in a shorter span of time. So yeah, if you want to get a job quicker, then probably can try coding bootcamps. But I think if you want to learn more and deeper, probably you can go to universities.